Let's make birthday cake pancakes for my baby boy. So what you will need is you will need 1 cup of Bisquick. You will need 1 cup of cake mix, 2 eggs. Oh, hold on, I forgot the milk. Okay, so I actually don't have milk, but I do have heavy whipping cream. So I'm just gonna like kind of water this down a little bit. I think you need, so you need 1 cup of milk. So I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of this and 1/2 cup of water, just to kind of water it down. And what else do I need? Oh, I need my vanilla. Hold on. Got my vanilla. So I'm gonna get everything rocking and rolling. Oh, and duh, how can I forget? You need sprinkles. Sprinkles, any sprinkles of your choice. I'm just gonna mix these two together just to make them fun. So yeah, let's get this going. I'm gonna put 1 cup of pancake mix in here. And as you see, I still sift. Get that in there. I already have my, over there on the stove, I already have my pan on the stove. And it's preheating. I just have it on medium heat. Okay. And now I'm going to put in, oh, hold on. Nobody important. All right, so where'd my scissors go? So, and you can use any kind of cake mix also. So like if you want chocolate pancakes, or if you want red velvet pancakes. Oh my goodness. So let me add my 2 eggs. 1. I'm gonna like kind of start mixing this up a little bit. And then I'm gonna split this up. So I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of the heavy whipping cream. And I'm gonna do half a cup of water just to kind of thin it out some. And I'm gonna start folding this in and mixing it up. Oh, I just flung some batter somewhere. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Let's add our vanilla. I don't measure, whoops, that's a lot. I was say I don't measure, but it's fine. We love vanilla. Make sure you measure. Probably just a teaspoon, tablespoon. And then let's put 1 more egg in. That was not a very good crack, was it? Like I said, it's too early in the morning for all this. But it's for my baby. All right. Now let's get this all mixed up and fold it in. Get this all mixed up. And I'm just gonna go ham. And just pour them all in just like that. And then mix it up. It's gonna be fun and festive. You just kind of want to fold them. Fold them in. Okay, so we got our sprinkles mixed in. I got my pan is nice and warm. I'm gonna spray it with some spray. Bring my pancake batter over. I'm gonna try to make some smaller ones too. And then do another small one. You can also make these into waffles. So as you can see, this is real life. I'm not a very good pancake maker. This is why I usually stick to my waffles. So, of course, because they're not like all picture perfect and anything like that. But because again, this is real life. People don't make perfect pancakes. I don't edit and redo them until I get the perfect circle. Like, no, I ain't got time for all that. I want to be as real can be. Out my little cupcake plates. I'm just going to use some frosting, some just little generic frosting. Well, this ain't generic, but I hate store-bought icing, but for little things like this, I don't mind. But you can do the glaze with the powdered sugar and vanilla and milk. So I'm just going to take a couple of, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Just a couple tablespoons, not that much, of icing. And I'm going to actually stick this in the microwave and melt it. So I'll be back when this is done. Alright, so I just microwave this for 10 seconds and it's like a nice flowy, watery mixture. So I got my 2 pancakes on the plate and I'm just going to drizzle this on there. I'm not going to use a lot. Put that there. And then of course, I'm going to add sprinkles. If you wonder what that sizzling noise is in the background, that's our sausage. Just because that's what's in the pancake. Not much. And there you go. Birthday cake pancakes.